Madeline, let go of her and let her do it. Okay. Turn her so she's straight. Timothy, come jump, do one of your cannonballs. Come do your cannonball. Yeah, let me see you swimming. Come on, Timothy, get out of the pool. Come do your... Madeline, let go of the side of the pool. Let go of the side of the pool. Swim like you swim over there. Let go of the side of the pool. Alright, do it again. No, you didn't. Come on, try and do it. Madeline, try swimming. No. Swim down the middle. Yes, you can. You do it over there in the little pool all the time. There you go. No, you got to put your feet up. Put your face in the water. Just like you do along the edge. Just don't grab the edge. If you're going to do that, you're going to get out. Timothy. Say, hey everybody. Say it. Say, hey everybody. I'm going to put it on mine. Weirdo.